Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to day 96 of the Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where you take 10 minutes of your day and try to create something within that time. So we made this little, technically we made both of these, but I consider it not all the way done. But we did, I'm just going to say that this page is done. So we're just going to finish this page. So let's go ahead and start our timer. And I kind of rummaged through some of my stuff. I went to the storage and got some more stuff out. And so I came across, I had die cut some of these using my Cricut Explorer Air a few years ago. And I forgot all about this. And some of these little things up. There's like an envelope in here, but it's more like a peachy color. Let's see. So I think it's more peachy than it is pink. Let's see. How am I supposed to open it? Okay, let's see. And I had die cut some envelopes with my Cricut, and I'm gonna see using just regular scrapbook paper, and I had glued that one together. This. I want now. Well, that would look kind of cute because that as like just a flip out. Maybe I'll do that on another day, or maybe on this next layout I'll do that. We'll keep that out for something else. All right, so let's see. Do I have any smaller ones? This is cute. This is a smaller envelope that I might just leave. That's too big because it kind of takes it's too big. All right, well, we'll just leave that out and set that over to the side. And but I do definitely want to use this what you call it, Eiffel Tower, because I think that it looks good up against that, because that kind of fits that, you know, look or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and glue this down. And when I die cut this out, it comes with like a little, kind of like a little banner, but I may or may not use that banner that comes with it. I don't know for sure yet. Let me just go ahead and put this on here first. Let's go ahead and glue it into position so it doesn't move. Okay, and then it comes with these little pink banners or flourish or whatever you want to call it, if I can get it. Look at this like this. I don't know, we'll see, because it kind of that shade of pink kind of, you can't really see it as good up against the darker pink in the background. And then I gotten some stickers. I have some stickers I gotten from, I think, Temu or somewhere. And I found this one. I think that's cute. It's like a little rock backdrop. And I wonder, should I take part? I think I'm going to cut part of it off instead of using the whole thing going across, because I do want to show part of the Eiffel Tower. So yeah, we're just going to cut part of this. I can get it to cut. I think I'll just set that like right there. Yeah, that way you can still see that. So let's go ahead and glue this on. And then, what else do I have? Let's see. I'll set that there. I don't know why I haven't really used my stickers much, because I do love creating sceneries and stuff. So, let's see. We've already got flowers, so we need something other than flowers. That's too much. She might look good right there. I don't want to waste too much time. We've only got 5 minutes left, and I'm determined to get this one done. See, that hand kind of falls in behind there. You can't really see it that well. So that's why I need something that's going to stand out. I thought about it like a butterfly or something. But what I might use is this little sticker that says Rome. I guess it's a sticker. It's like a vellum sticker. But I don't know if I can peel it off or if I, oh yeah, it comes off. I think this will look good. It says Rome. I'm gonna put this, should I put it over here or down here or in the middle? I'm gonna just put it right here. I like that. I did say that that was done, but I guess I lied. I might just go with that one sticker with the stamp of the lady. Because I'll be here all day if I don't. Yeah, let me just go ahead and do that. Because I'm so indecisive. It's just so sad. Well. No. Yeah, if I put that there, it didn't originally supposed to go there, but, or if we ain't gonna worry about it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and glue on the little lady, the little stamp of the lady. If I can get it. Okay. And I think that that'll go good. Like right here, because number one, with the shape of it and everything, I'll just kind of place her like right there. Or should I put her over here? No, she needs to come over here. Maybe like in the middle or something. Yeah. You can't really see her. Let me take that off. You can't see her. I might not even use that sticker. I might just, oh goodness, y'all. Should I just leave it? I could and just put a word or something over here. A stamp. Oh, I've already put my little coffee stamps up. Let's see. I've got a little Rebel and Transfers. We might just, well, we've already got words right there, so maybe some little buttons or bingo or these little Rebel ones. Bingo. We're going to use bingo, yeah, just cause. Oh, let me cut that out first. Is that B supposed to? No, that's not supposed to be there. Oh, goodness. All right, let's just cut bingo out. And let's go ahead and do like a little Rebel and Transfer. Maybe I should put it here. Yes, I think I will. Bingo. And then I'm just going to get the back of a brush or something. And we're going to call this done. Hopefully it'll come all the way out like I hope. Hopefully it'll rub all the way off. And I've got like, I think 2 minutes left. Yes. I like that. What do you guys think? You like that? I do. So, well, there's time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And Also, go over to the Scrappy 8 Facebook group, and you'll see there's a few challenges going on. Of course, there's the Scrappy 8 challenge, and then we're still, of course, I'm obviously doing the hashtag Essence of Time, and then the Spooky Divas. So we got a lot going on. And then I'm also doing hashtag How Do You Do Art. So if you like challenges and you just want to try to do something different, maybe even outside the box for you, something that's maybe out of your comfort zone, because some people, even with this Spooky Divas, some people don't really do like not themes, but what do you call it? Holidays. Why can't I ever think of the word? But anyway, it's really fun if you want to challenge yourself, and it's like an open collaboration for everyone. So once again, I thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.